Hold on, Mom. Thank you, Adriana. You were up. I'll probably be on for like an hour. I have to make the cornbread again. Cooking with turkey, the turkey today, and toasted bread. I did everything last night. Okay, period. Are you? Hi, Tommy. What's up, Benz? I'm getting on in an hour. Okay. I probably won't be on then because I think they're gonna start eating around 2. We shall see. I'm sure, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people might be scrolling. Hi, country. Welcome in, everyone. Jalen, welcome in. Hi, Bestie. Hi, Ducky. Welcome in, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. I remember when this used to be in the paper bag. They used to have this shit in the paper bag. Hopefully scrolling and drinking, feeling exercise. That'll probably be tonight, Adriana, tonight. Tonight, people definitely gonna be scrolling drunk. Hi, Bonner. Hi, Josh. Thank you, Princess Peach. Bonner, thank you. I'm good, Josh. How are you, Tyreek? Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What you want from me? What the fuck is 1/3 cup?